Dom here from Essential RC. Thanks for tuning in for another flight test. This is the new Avios Extra 330 LX version 2. We reviewed the first version of the Extra 330 LX way back in early 2018, so it's great to see it come out again in this brilliant new scheme. Pretty much the same format, but they've improved a few things like the power you get from the motor system and speed controller. The motor mount has been improved, and some general improvements around the the fitting and the quality of and the ease of putting it together. I've done an unboxing and assembly video. The link for that is in the video description and pinned comment, so look that up. But otherwise, let's get this in the air. Let's see how it flies. Now, first flight, so I'm going to go a bit easy because you have to kind of get your head around these extreme aerobatic 3D aircraft. That's my excuses out of the way, but let's fly it. Let's see how it goes. So just a word on setup. I basically set up 3 position rates on all the control surfaces so that I can adapt in the air. So I set up my top rate for 100% throw, 100% mechanical throw that I can get, and 30% exponential, so it's a little bit less movement in the center of the stick for sensitivity. And then I go to 66 and 33% of that 100% throw. So if you look there, then while I'm flying I can dial down the elevator and the rudder and the ailerons as I want to. I'm running a 4-cell 3500 pack, and it's all the way to the front, and it's balancing just on those quick release buttons underneath. So even on that pack, it's quite far back. It's definitely more than a third of chord all back, so which is good for 3D. You want it kind of a rear CG, definitely for popping hovers and doing all of that type of stuff. I'd prefer for a maiden for it to be, at first flight, to be a bit further forward, but it is what it is. A little knife edge all day, particularly with those side force generators creating the lift when you've got it on its side. So there we go, that's the new Avios Extra 330LX version 2 from our friends at hobbyking.com. Really capable, medium size, aerobatic 3D aircraft, and a lot of fun to fly. Just a dial-in flight really there, nothing too extreme. It is, you know, even though the 3500 pack is fairly forward, it is still quite pitch sensitive. So I'm even going to try a 4000 pack as well. We're going to try it with a 5S setup as well very soon. Just have to change the speed controller to a 170 amp, I think they suggest, for even more power, which will be helpful to punch out of hovers. And if you get into problems low down, really useful to have that extra power. But thanks for watching this flight test, the first flight of the Extra 330LX version 2. You might want to subscribe and click on the bell icon for notifications of our future uploads and live streams. But thanks for watching this one. Thanks to Claire on camera, as always, and we'll see you for the next one.